In this video, I'm going to show you how to graph a system of linear inequalities in MyLab Math. So we're going to do this homework problem as an example. It says to graph the solution set of the following system of inequalities: y greater than negative 3x plus 6 and y less than x plus 3. And notice that these equations, we do not have x and y on the same side, so we're not going to use the cover-up method. This is y equals mx plus b form, so we use the slope and the y-intercept to graph the lines. So we're going to start with the first equation, y greater than negative 3x plus 6. So 6 is my y-intercept, that's the b. I know that I'm going to be using a dotted line here because this is y greater than, it doesn't have greater than or equal to. So plot my y-intercept of positive 6, and my slope is negative 3. That means I go down 3 and 1 to the right to find my next point. So click that down. Now for shading, if I plug in my test point of 0, 0, I get 0 greater than 6. While 0 is not greater than 6, so that means I need to shade to the right of that line. So that's the first line. Now I need to move to the second, y less than x plus 3. So that's also going to be a dotted line. The y-intercept is 3, and the slope is 1. So up 1 and 1 to the right. Now, once I put the second line down, you'll notice that it's going to cut off the shaded area, and it does that based on where I put the paint can. So if I had put the paint can in this area, then it's going to cut it off into that shaded area. Since I put the paint can over here, then that's the part that's going to remain shaded. Now I want to figure out if that is the correct shaded area or not. So looking at my second equation, this is going to be 0 less than 3. 0 is less than 3, which means I need to shade the side of the yellow line that is below the yellow line, because that's where I would cover up the point 0, 0. Since that is shaded right now, then that tells me that this is the correct shaded area. If I wanted to switch it, if I wanted this to be the shaded area up here, then all I have to do is click on the paint can to select it, and then click delete. That will delete the paint can but leave my lines there, so I don't have to completely start over. Now I can click on the paint can again and put it where I want it to be. So if I wanted it to be up there, I could put it up there. I'm going to put it back where I had it because that was the correct shaded area, and then click save and then check my answer, and that is correct.